Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. I hope you are doing well. I received a question. Someone asked how to install ASOS on your phone. ASOS is British online fashion retailer. It is one of the world's largest shopping platforms aimed primarily at 20-somethings, but popular with teens and adults too. What I want to do is to show you how to install this app for you to be able to shop from the app. So go to Play Store or App Store. So go to Play Store on your Android phone, then select search, then type ASOS, ASOS. Select on it. ASOS Limited, 549k reviews and 50 million plus downloads. Select install. And also, you need to make sure you have enough space on your Android phone or iPad or iPhone, whichever device you are using. Make sure you have enough space. Go to your phone settings, then go to storage and check that you have enough space. So the app is installing. ASOS stands for as seen on screen. So they have over 850 brands. So you can get like Nike, Adidas, Levi, Calvin Klein, their own ASOS design clothing, affordable and trendy. The app is installed. Select open. So it's getting ready. So think of ASOS as massive online mall for shopping for fashion forward shoppers. It will show you delivery to United Kingdom. You can select change countries you want the product to be delivered to. So currently I'm in United Kingdom, so you can select your country delivery to, which is showing us good mark on the United Kingdom. So you can select, it will show you popular: Australia, Denmark, France, Germany, Italy, Netherlands, Poland, Russia, Spain, Sweden, US. So these are popular locations and also other locations as well. So we want to go back to the home page. The currency sign as pound sterling. You select women or men. Let's say, for example, if you select women, I'm going to select only required. This is the app and the home page. If you select three dots on top, it will show you save, shop, and view orders. So sign in. If you select sign in, hi friends, enter your email to sign in or join for ASOS World Rewards, exclusive discount, speedy checkout. So you put your email address, then select continue, or you sign in with Google, Facebook, Apple account. So I'm going to go back to the home page. Select the three dots. Will show you home, bag, save item, my account, app settings, help, and frequency add questions. You can also select darker mode, switch it on or off. So the darker mode is off, so you can switch it on. And also information in terms of gift voucher, etc. Students also have 10% student discount, 25 years anniversary, info for partners. Then I want us to go back to the home screen. These are categories. Save up to 30% off spring essential. So you have new in, clothing, dresses, shoes, trending, body plus face plus body, accessories, brands, top shop, active wear, vintage, sales up to 60% off. Let's say if you want to check new in, select on new in, then you select view all. Then it will start to show you new clothing line. They have, this one is ASOS design crochet knit summer mini dress in ecru. This one is 30 quid. So you can just scroll up or down and select any particular clothing you want. So these are women dresses. You can also go to filter or recommended, price low to high or high to low. So you can select price low to high and it will start to show. You can see the price is £5.99. So you can scroll up and the price will change accordingly. So this one is 8 quid. So if you keep going up, the price will go up as well. Then if you go back again, you can also see Top Shop. So these are Top Shop clothing lines. You can select any particular one you want. You can also select live, body and face, credit card. Another way to pay. So credit card is the best option, I would say. So categories, Top Shop. So you can also search, style match. Use your phone to take the camera of the clothes and they will match it, or photo, for example. So these are other things. So you can use the camera, or you can select search and type the product name as well. So you can type, for example, Nike trainers. So once you type the Nike trainers, and these are Nike trainers available. So depending on what you want to search, so you can also search it using the search bar, or Adidas. For example, Adidas. If you want to go for brand, Adidas, then it will show you Adidas clothes they have. You can also go to filter or select recommended, then select from low to high. You can see socks. So we'll go back. So once you open the app, you can also select, change it from women to men. So you can change it as well. Then we'll start to show you all the clothing or categories. So the same thing applicable. So you can select the categories, top man. So this top man clothes. So you can select any particular one. They have jeans, outdoor wears. Select on the particular one. Then you wait. Then you select save. The product will be saved by the look, or you can watch the video as well. If you scroll down, then select the size. We show you the size. Select on the size, for example. It will tell you whether it's in low in stock. You can add to bag. And also we show you delivery, free delivery and order over 40 quid. Standard delivery £4.50. Free return on qualified order. So once you select the product, then you select size and fit. You can also view guides as well. It will show you guides. So model height 185.5 centimeter or 6.1. Model is wearing weight 32 and length 32. So this is the model. 1K plus. Gave it a heart. Now once you select the size, then you select add to bag. So we'll ask you to put your email address. Once you put your email address, then you sign in, or you can sign it with Google or Facebook and proceed to see the product. So this is something I thought to share with you. This is how to use ASOS. ASOS collect location, personal information, and financial data. Data is encrypted during transfer, and you can request delete of your data. ASOS is a trusted, established UK fashion retailer with huge brand variety, easy returns, and great tools to help you buy the right fit. Perfect for trend-focused shoppers who want reliable without paying luxurious prices. And if you want to delete the app, go to your phone screen, select on the app, then it will give you option for you to search saved item, my orders, add to home screen, or uninstall or widget. So select uninstall. If you don't want to have the app, then you select OK. So keep an eye, the app will be removed from the phone. Uninstall ASOS. So the app is uninstalled. Thank you very much indeed.